Yeah, Kayla. So listen, you know they're all about hitting you with some deals on top of deals and then making it easy for you to turn those miles into memories here at Wade's RV. I'm joined here with sales manager. This is Adam Ogden. Now, Adam, there's a feature of the week and then there's a deal of the day. And for this deal of the day, this Cyclone, it's like twisting things up when it comes to making fun and making memories, man. So Cyclone, #1 toy hauler, 8 years running, and that's for good reason.
Absolutely. It's the way that it's made. It's by Heartland is the manufacturer on that Cyclone toy hauler that you have, and they just kind of go above and beyond when it comes to the production of their toy haulers.
Listen, I took like 1 minute inside this thing and I was blown away. It's literally a house on wheels, and I can only imagine the type of house parties you can have while you're rolling to your favorite lake or making those memories. Adam, we're going to walk in this thing real quick so we can give them a look-see. Now, it is used, but that means that you're getting it at a really good price. That means it's probably going to be off the lot by the end of the day.
Absolutely. Our deal of the days typically don't make it very long, so they're usually gone by the end of the day.
Yeah, tell me about what makes this thing so special, so cool.
So with Heartland, what you have on the Cyclone, the toy haulers, you do get the ability to have that garage space. You have that party deck on the back. You have the ability to have bunks that come down from the ceiling and give you a space for your kids when you're out at the lake, giving them the ability to kind of have that space separate from the adults.
Yeah, we know how that can get, right?
So exactly. So your parties can be a little bit more adult up front and have a space in the back for the rear for the kids.
Business in the front, party in the back, or party in the front and the back, but a different type of party when it comes to the Cyclone. So I think this is really cool. And then, so not only is this the deal of the day, but you guys also sell, full new, not lived in like this one, which is still great here at Wade's.
Absolutely. We've got our feature of the week that we have, which right now the feature of the week is a 22 Impression 270 RK fifth wheel.
It's right next to us. Can we go take a look at that? This is insane. Like, I don't know how Wade's RV does it, seriously, with the deal of the day, which is what we're stepping out of right now, but then the feature of the week. So this one's brand spanking new. If you walk in there, it's still got the new RV smell.
Oh, absolutely. And you get full warranty with that, which is the warranty that you're going to have is going to be a 1-year bumper to bumper. You're going to have a 3-year structural and appliance, and then you're going to have a 12-year warranty on the roof.
Man. Okay, so whether it comes to a new vehicle that you really won't have to worry about, or a used vehicle, which you won't have to worry about either, because you guys do literally top to bottom inspection when it comes to vehicles like this.
100%. Our PDI process, when we run them through the shop, covers every major component that you're going to have. So when you come in to pick that RV up from us, you're going to know that everything has been handled and everything is as perfect as it can be when you come in to get it.
Man, Adam, this is what we're talking about now. Little Wade was mentioning a little earlier, you might want to jump on top of these deals with the special financing, the deal of the day, maybe even the feature of the week, because if you can get into an RV now, you'll be ready for that huge camping experience by Memorial Day weekend. And we know that's what you want, to make those miles and the memories. That's what they're about. Kayla, back to you. I'm just thinking, which one am I going to get? You know what I'm saying?